Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. How are you guys? How's your morning so far? Any trades? Because I didn't take anything, like at all. I traded Asia only. Hello, guys. Hello. We took same trades last night. Yeah, it's on the trades day, so honestly, so far. We got nice drop here, right? On 30-minute chart. Nice drop here. But honestly, like, it's still not worth it. Like, it was like 12-point stop loss. I want to see Asia low. But original plan before news came out was we go in here, breaking above London high and RDOB, then drop to Asia low. Never happened, so I'm flat then. Let's check if we have any SMTs. Guys, what is your bias on gold? Can you turn up your volume? It's 100% right now. Hello guys, good morning. You want to see lower on a gold. Alright, but I kind of, like, personally don't mind to see one more push higher than drop. Yeah, lots of people, volume feels low. What is going on? Okay, I don't know what happened. How to fix this? Let's see. Okay, let's check this. If I will do like just a little bit more, like this, how is sound? Play. I'm not sure. Like much better. All right, gonna leave this. If any issue, let me know. Okay, guys. All right, we are going to continue trading gold. Let's see what we have so far. Like once again, overall not bad price action during Asia and London. We got nice drop, but you know, like I feel like London high seems like equal highs. Original plan this morning before news was we going higher, then drop into Asia low. They decided to say like, no, let's just drop it. So in reality, price expected. Let's go on 30-minute chart. Price expected 30-minute fair value gap, which is by the way our PD ray. So for shorts, probably that's enough. This reaction was confirmed by the way. It wasn't confirmed by potential sweep. It's not sweep here. Like, I mean, like, no. It's not sweep. So, like, I don't see setup here yet. I just realized, like, yeah, really, it's not sweep. Initially, when it seemed like sweep, it wasn't confirmed by order block. It was confirmed by OB with next 30-minute candle only. This means, guys, like, I didn't see short setup just yet. I hope to get something. So I'm flat on today still. And I hope to get win today. At least something, you know. Alright, let's see how it goes. SMC with silver, yes, I highlighted this on my Project X already. On 4 chart we got perfect SMT. Right? So Asia low seems absolutely obvious target, but honestly really wants to see higher first, like initially higher. What about CL? CL, I had weekly objective at previous week high level. Right now we're stuck at previous week high, so I believe we took this level yesterday. I overall don't mind to see the tracement back down to this low over here and this flat candle at 63.77. So, but so far just consolidating near previous week high level, hard to say. That's what I want to say. Previous week high was my weekly objective since Sunday. Right now, like, I don't know what should happen to offer short to 63.77, but feels like good level. Right? All right. Yeah, ask any questions, guys. Since nothing is going on, let's ask questions. Maybe I can help you. Go. Yeah, I agree with you about Mike kiting. Come on. Feels like, yeah, there's an issue. Should be September 25. Let's see. Let me check on NinjaTrader. Okay, on NinjaTrader it says December. So December contract. On Project X, it's I trade micro gold MGC Z25. On NQ, on TradingView, I just trade gold GC. Okay, guys, probably I'm waiting for just slightly higher first to get short setup, and then we'll see. So right now, like, it's too low to short. Unfortunately, it never offered any short setup. Even if it looked nice to go to Asia low, still nothing. There was setup for... Where was setup for long? I didn't see any setup for long yesterday. I believe I shared my idea why I took this on Twitter. You can check this. On X, my bad. X. Let's check ES and NQ, because right now I'm just trying to figure out what I want to trade. Preferably gold. Yeah, yesterday target that we discussed on TradingView TV. Yesterday on TradingView TV we took short from 95, I believe. Here, I was aiming for 66.70. I closed like 1 point in profit and did not re-enter anymore. Like, yeah, TP hit, draw was obvious, but yeah, PM session did not deliver. So I just closed 1 point in profit, but yeah, I was shorting ES yesterday on TradingView TV with Rebecca. We shorted together. Pretty much my entry was like 1 or 2 ticks higher than your entry. We got same short on gold. Yeah, lots of people took the short. Yeah, it was great one. Well, guys, let's see where we can go on NQ and ES. Guys, maybe it's going to sound crazy, but I believe ES and NQ will drop more, like overall more. I would like... Let me switch on 1 week chart. All this time, probably I used wrong levels. Let me... Alright, guys, on NQ I'm watching 400 right now, so it will offer possible weekly immediate rebalance. So 400.50 is going to be a weekly objective for now. Maybe I'm wrong, guys, but I believe we can drop like more. So maybe we'll continue dropping next week as well. I'm not saying like high is in, all-time high is in, but I think like we are going to drop more. So highlight this level on your chart. So basically we want to see it's going to balance this weekly candle with this previous candle to see... We don't want to see fair value gaps, right? So we want to see weekly immediate rebalance, which is 158 points higher so far. Let's see. At this point, ES will take previous week low level. So I feel like I'm more bearish right now on ES and Q. Levels remains lower. It doesn't mean like we can drop like hard today, maybe, but we're gonna see. Yeah, feels like I'm bearish on ES and Q. Would like to see lower. If fair value gap has filled up to 50%, I mean, you mean filled 50%? Okay, does it mean... No, we're still going to check this fair value gap. So 50% means actually enough, and just like psychological level. We need to balance this. This means completely fill this with body. 15 minutes ago. What happened 15 minutes ago? Gold outlook. Yes, you miss this. So originally, like before news at 8:30 a.m., I want to see price going higher to London high and hourly OB, and we're shorting all the way down to Asia low. So right now, Asia low fails to be taken. Obviously, we want to aim for Asia low, but I wouldn't say like we got set up for short. Like really, nothing then. Yes, exactly. 50. Yes, exactly. Just let's see if it's going to retrace for us to short this. Otherwise, like I don't see any reason to short that low. And over here, we didn't get set up. So yes, initially it looked like potential sweep, but order block never confirms this. Order block was confirmed with this down close candle, which means it's not sweep. There was no step here. It's okay, George, it's okay. We have data at 10, alright. So far, guys, just flat on the day, didn't take a single trade yet. Hope to get something. If nothing, then maybe PM session will offer something. Traded Asia only. Today is Thursday, right? Thursday? Yes, Thursday. We are going to have news at 10. Existing home sales. I'm not sure it's going to give us any like reaction on gold, to be honest. Dasha, would you say like models that trade on gold? It's not gold model. This model that I trade on gold works just as well on silver and oil. I would say so, yes. I keep saying like silver is quite expensive to trade this with 1 mini, so I don't really like to trade silver, especially on new funded accounts. So yeah, let's see if gold can pump. Like please, just pump to London high and hourly OB and then short. Not sure about short, but preferably. Don't wanna see this, but gold going higher. If so, that's going to be amazing. Preferably higher than 37.84, to be honest. Would like to see 37.92, 37.95 first, and then drop. Like, please. Let's check silver just for SMT. Okay, we do have SMT right now, these lows on 20-minute chart. That's great. Right? SMT? SMT, yeah. Right now, the question is... We closed the... You probably want to ask me why I'm using this for order block. London high. Don't tell me you're shorting right now. I mean, like, I will stop saying, like, we need to go to London high. My bad. You shorting right now? I mean, yeah, you said this morning you want to see lower, but you already in trade? Okay, what I want to say. Since you got SMT with silver at these lows, I'm going to use internal order block to anticipate move higher. So basically we got the closure above sequence of down close candles, but I'm not using this one because silver created lower low, so I will just use internal one. Let me discuss. I just saw that, so I'm not going to take take trade with just quick setup. I mean, don't want to make fast decisions. Give me 1 second. Let me focus right now a little bit. Okay, since we got... I'm just discussing this, talking about this out loud. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to figure this out. In short, well, if it's going to be order block, since silver created lower low, as we can see over here, order block was confirmed already on 3-minute chart. I'm wondering how far we can retrace of this order block. Can we take this flat candle? I don't have trade idea just yet to trade dump, and I'm just trying to think it loud. Think it loud. Long. Some people saying long. What is your target then? Of course, you know, like of course. Hard to believe, like in longs, once you were like 30 cents away from Asia low. Give me 1 second. I'm not going to take any trades right now. I'm just trying to analyze. Where is 2R? 2R at above this level. Like stop loss. I don't know yet, guys. Let's wait for 10 to see how it goes. I just don't see like high probability trade yet. Kind of would like to see higher, but I don't want to take this one. Yeah, I'm not going to take this. Let's just edit the tape until 10, like next 30 minutes. Maybe we can get to move to this London high and hourly OB, then try to short this. That's probably my idea. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, guys. Not going to take right now any trade. Let's just wait. I mean, if you see like this has high probability trade, take it. I'm not going to stop you from taking this trade, like this long. Just, I'm not quite sure yet, to be honest. Yeah, I know, maybe it will offer some volatility after 10. Just don't want to trade this just yet. I feel like 50-50, right? Yeah, I mean, like, I could take with small size. I mean, just overall idea seems tricky. I will wait. I don't see like any reason to trade just yet. Especially when I'm not confident, like with overall bias. Just for now, I'm gonna wait. Just a bit risky too long, just once again yet. We got SMT with silver at these lows. We got other block. Yeah, I'll just observe this. No reason to take this trade yet. Why 7 p.m. sweep isn't wallet? Let's check this. I don't know. Like, I don't remember. Oh, you mean it was, let me see, because I only shorted yesterday. I didn't even see any longs. Which sweep? Over here? It wasn't sweep. Or you mean this one? Yeah, there's no sweep for long. Let's just observe this, guys. We have only SMT. Right now, I personally don't want to long. I just would like to see slightly higher, but see zero reason to long this. I'm going to sit on hands. I'm not sure what is your question. You said 7 p.m., right? We had nothing at 7 p.m. Too long. Okay, I'm going to wait for your reply because I'm not sure what you meant. What is the plan? Wait, a little bit wait until 10 to place any other trades. Women for short, for our time frame, second stage. Yes, exactly. We're going lower on NQ and yes. Yes, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. to place a trade. I don't really recommend to take long here. We may retrace on NQ and that will be probably okay. But overall my target on NQ remains lower. I would like to see 400 level on NQ. Okay, overall on gold I would like to short to Asia low. And what level I would like to see? And for our OB over here, not for our OB, I'm lying. I would like to see Asia low and Daily order block at 37.27. I'm not sure if you can see this, but you probably should. Yeah, would like to see lower, but I just feel like it's. Let me delete this. I just feel like it's kind of too low right now to short this. I need like more obvious picture. I would say to short. But yeah, I feel like I'm more bearish. Additional plan, once again, additional plan this morning was like, I'm waiting for price to take London high and hourly OB, and then I short to Asia low and lower. In reality, what happened? They just dropped. They left this Asia low, absolutely obvious draw on liquidity. But there is no entry. That's the biggest problem. It's not really a problem, but preferable to get this. Like, just slightly higher. Just give me this retracement back to deep premium or take this. By the way, guys, see this London high? It's pretty much equal highs. Just take them and give me short. That's all I ask. Pure short. It's simply because you're shorting right now, and we are not. Of course, we want to see higher first. But I wouldn't long, honestly, since I'm bearish. I'm bearish, guys, on the gold today. Just need to see deeper retracement to enter the trade. You're asking too much, probably. I'm not going to even argue about this. Maybe I'm asking too much. No, Asia low never was taken. Micro gold probably took this, but I don't care about micro gold, you know. Let's highlight. Oh, let me highlight this on my project tick. So since I'm going to trade on micro gold there. You said micro gold took Asia low. All right, that's. No, micro gold didn't take this. I'm checking this on project ticks. Asia low still open on micro gold and gold. So yeah. Right now, just waiting for the retracement up to short. We have SMT with still resist lows. We got internal order block. We have 3-minute fair value. But guys, I kind of know I have no interest in long in this market just yet. But please, just slightly higher and I will short this. I will short this. Check DXY. I was checking DXY this morning, I believe. It was bullish, right? I was checking 6 a.m. Yeah, it was bullish. SMT with silver, guys. At this highs. I'm not sure if we can make it bigger. I can try, but oh yeah, normal. Is it better? Can you see label here? I can try to change the probably color. Everything for you. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Guys, I'm bearish to Asia low and daily OB at 37.27. But waiting for setup to enter the trade. Like, once again, London high is just preferable to take this, but once again, like, no reason. Just, I would like to see the retracement to enter the trade. That's it. That's only the reason why I'm waiting for retracement higher. Like, London high, preferably, but at least, you know, like, take these highs, offer potential sweep. Let me short this all the way down to Asia low and daily order block. Good morning, everyone who just joined. Just... once again, I will wait for 10. If it's going to drop right now, we will try to act accordingly, right? Just for now, like, let's be careful with trades. Market is open, by the way. London high was taken. Okay. Let's stop for... I don't want to predict right now. I will see. Because once again, I can see the future. Give me some time. to frame setup. Right now, just for now, I cannot find any entry just yet. Just yet. Gonna check 5-minute chart, maybe. All indicators are lagging today on TradingView. Alright. It's okay. No, it's not okay. Just please. We have quite big volume imbalance on 5, which I don't really use, but we have flat candles there. We will see, so maybe, like, I don't know. We're gonna see. We have 3-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to be inversion, which will not mean something for me because I don't trade inversion fair value gaps almost at all on gold. Equilibrium. Oh, all right. Give me 1 second. You said 11 September 11. Okay. To current high, right? I mean, yeah, I agree with your shorts. Yeah. I got your point, like 100%. I'm just trying to find the entry. Thinking right now if it's going to present change in the state of delivery. It's early. Probably will mean nothing. Okay, since you have SMT with silver these highs, price trades to this fair value gap. We have open fair value gap on 30-minute chart. I'm thinking right now if price is going to close below sequence of up close candles, can we get continuation lower? I feel like range is quite big today. Like average stop loss around like 8 points. $15-minute chart. Yeah, on 15. Okay, we have some PD race. That's great. Well, guys, we got. That's mitigation block, right? Mitigation block, 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute breaker block. Maybe that's enough for high from levels. Next. If it's going to present OB, can offer some opportunities for us. New York Midnight Open. Yeah, thank you for reminding me about New York Midnight Open. Yeah, basically it will line up this idea. If it's going to close below this blue line, can we get short? I know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Yeah. That's 5-minute chart on micro gold. 3-minute chart. Going to highlight this on micro gold as well. The same levels that I'm highlighting on gold. To compare them. Alright. There's no like 10 AM model for gold. Just will trade continuation if it's going to present opportunity. So far, guys, like took 0 trades. Nothing there that I liked. I'm thinking right now if it's going to offer some shorts from this order block. Range quite big. 10 points? Are you serious? Are you serious? No, thank you. It's not worth to trade on brand new account with 5 micros even. Like, I don't want to risk $500. Because my average risk on my new funded accounts is $300. Which is, I know. Let's see. Not trade yet. You know, I don't trade fair value gaps and inversion fair value gaps on gold. I'm just trying to be careful right now, like overall. If I want, like logically, if I want to short, I would like to short from premium levels, right? If I want to long, I want to long from discount levels. We got nice move down, but we got nice move down here. Price trace back to premium, right? Brilliant. We got exactly same move down, but price trace only like near equilibrium. Would like to see just a bit higher, as I said before. So like since I trading right now 150k accounts, I don't want to lose more than $500 for the day. This means my first trade is going to have risk $300. If I'm going to lose, I'm going to make my size a bit smaller to risk only $200 per trade. Because it's brand new accounts, not brand new anymore. I took the trade yesterday. So task is to build the buffer slowly. That's pretty much it. Don't want to risk on 150k more than $500. On 50k, I don't want to risk more than $300 per trade. I hope it makes sense. I would like to see gold lower today. Yeah, just let's see. Keep watching CL right now, some Euro futures, and silver. If it's not going to be anything, like, well, I will accept this. Because originally I was thinking like about short, like this, all the way down like this. If it's going to close below this blue line. Like, we closed below blue line, so we got SMT, we closed below blue line. It created, like, ignoring, like, once again, we got inversion. I don't trade inversion for value gaps on gold. We got order block. Also, price closed below New York midnight open. I'm just thinking right now, guys, like, no reason to take this. But from the other side, I like it. How big stop loss? 7 points? I don't know. I'm gonna wait for 10. No. Guys, once in trade, I'm gonna show you. Okay? I'm just thinking right now, trying to analyze. I'm going to wait for 10 to trade something. Oh, order block only. But yeah, I think like I like overall idea to short. Let's see if it's going to over like something that I really like to trade here. Asia low taken. No FOMO, I mean like if it's going to drop right now then well. My target on TP hit Euro fast. My target on NQ is 400 level, so like 60 points lower. Oh, look at this drop. Like solid. I mean, that's okay. I mean, like, I am totally fine to me the trade. At least for now. I will wait for 10. Guys, I'm not going to be disappointed because of, like, I miss something. Right now, yeah, I mean, kind of makes sense, but from the other side, I want to see, like, a bit higher. It's okay. I traded Asia, I made $1,400. So, like, no complaints on accounts. And that's from 5-minute inversion for a value gap. No, in Asia I trade from 7 to 10 p.m. I'm watching for setup between 7 and 10. But once again, I don't trade from on my computer, I trade from my phone only. Asia low was obvious target. Extremely obvious target. Team Android, Team Apple. You tell me. My TradingView always do something weird around like 9. I will tell you it's not TradingView, it's market. It's market. All right, guys. Good morning, good morning. Again, no trade. Are you serious? I traded yesterday on stream. If you're trying to hate, at least check first. I feel sorry for you. I mean, like, this is funny because they don't know what they're talking about, but keep saying that's funny. What is my bias on gold? I'm British. Thank you, Jack. Any data? I mean, like, maybe TradingView is lagging a little bit. Like your haters. Yeah, that's funny, right? I would like to see... Oh yeah, it's dropping actually to 400. Nice drop. Nice drop. Nice drop. How could... Impossible to avoid haters, unfortunately. $37.50. Yeah, pretty much previous day low level. $353. Okay, what kind of level I have there? I don't have any levels at $353, but it's like 40 points lower than possible weekly immediate rebalance on NQ. Okay, I got it. So approaching previous day low level, we got just one more expansion lower. So what can happen if it wants to retrace? Probably fair value gaps and another trap if it wants to retrace, I believe. Like no reason not to take previous day low level right now. Waiting for 10 a.m. so 14 more minutes to trade either like retracement or reversal. 15-minute one. I don't think so, to be honest. Like, we will take previous day low levels and probably it will try to retrace. But no, previous day low level first. I think so. Weekly objective, I said before, 37.27, which is daily order block. It's like 30 points away. Let's see, I'm watching right now previous day low level. Silver drop as well. Once again, I'm watching for possible weekly immediate rebalance. So 400 level on NQ needs to be taken. And on ES, I will look for 66.11, which is previous week low level. That's target. I'm not interested in trading ES and NQ, you know. I mean, it made a trace, which is, I don't feel like it's a problem, but overall, I'm bearish. I'm bearish for the next week, probably as well. Maybe it will start reversing like second half of October. I know. We will see. Here's the fair value gap, which I was talking about, right above Asia low. Let's see if it's going to retrace there. Silver trying to retrace as well. On CL, we were watching 63.70, so we're still watching this, 63.77. What, guys, who is trading CL? What is your TP? But I said before, like, I didn't really see like good framework to trade CL. Just would like to 63.77, but that's pretty much it. Buy where? On gold? I'm not sure about buy just yet. In my opinion, like, at least for me, there was no any shorts before 8:30 AM. No, I use silver for SMT with gold. I hope it helps. Yeah, you're welcome. So, yeah, my weekly objective remains at 3727.3. You missed your buy? Where? Oh, you mean on NQ? Trying to retrace from this by the standard deviation projections. Would like to see possible weekly mid rebalance. Like, no reason to leave 12 points for a value gap on weekly. Like, if it's going to be V-shaped reversal, I will be honestly surprised to see this. 766, 764. Yeah, we have fair value gaps there. I agree with you. Yeah, I'm in Q. I got it. So far, I'm waiting for 10 to trade something. But yeah, want to just short to previous day low level and 37.27 daily order block. That's the plan. I mean, I would like to keep my window still big, like between 7 and 9, because sometimes, yeah, I can say like right now best setups happens like since like from 8:20 until 9 a.m. But in reality, sometimes it will happen before 8:20. So I would like to keep window bigger still, like between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. New York time, between 9:50 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time. So basically, I am Silver Bullet, and Asia between 7 and 10 p.m. Plus, I'm not sure, honestly. Yeah, such a scam. Imagine how stressful right now to trade in Q. Yeah, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. So basically, I will look for the trade after 10. On gold, I'm bearish. Yeah, by the way, it looks pretty similar right now, right? Like also retracement, big retracement, and we'll see how it goes. My hair looks better this way. I mean, I know. Thank you. Why? So far we just got 2 expansion candles, 3 expansion candles on hourly. So I'm waiting for the tracement after 10. So it will offer new Faro candle. It will offer better picture for us to frame either continuation or a reversal. It's not natural color, by the way, but my is darker. Oh, really? It went back to pre. Oh, that's crazy. Come on. Yeah. So I would like to see. I'm going to repeat again. Previous week low level on ES and possible weekly mid rebalance. Mid rebalance on NQ. On gold, I would like to see previous day low level taken, and I know when. When I know yet. Daily order block 37.27. NQ trying to drop. Just would like to see 400 level taken. I didn't say, like, once again, once I'm in trade, you see this on your screen. Can you see something? Probably no. I'm not in trade, obviously. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. to enter the trade. I will discuss potential trade if I'm going to execute this. For these candles, this I see high frame candles by Fadi. Free indicator, basically. We can add up to 10, I believe, candles. I'm short on gold right now. Where's your target? I mean, where did you enter? Like right now? You're welcome. Yeah, Jessica, need to wait. That's why I'm waiting for 10. Maybe it will offer like first sweep, like retrace and then back to premium so we can enter it. Oh, like right now. All right. You know, like I cannot give you advices, financial advices. I just personally don't see the entry for short yet. I mean, once again, it can play out. I just don't see based on model entry. So after 10, it will offer new flower candle, a new hourly candle. That's the reason. Yeah, it's if it's going to reverse from like couple of points away from previous day low level. It's going to be crazy. I don't know. I didn't ask her. 767 stop loss. Oh, like 7 point stop loss. Oh, okay, I got it. You basically use this entry. Okay, I got it. I'm still flat. Nothing to show you. Unfortunately. Gold is a joke. A little bit. I have a disclaimer pretty much everywhere, by the way. Oh, don't ask me about like wars in the world. I hate to discuss it. Oh, yeah, then maybe. You see this better than me, right? Okay, we traced to statement fair value gap. We were like 2 points away from previous day low level. Honestly, I'm happy to see the tracing because we can actually get the entry after 10. So it's 9:58. Waiting for 10. No, Jack, I just don't like to discuss like politics and something like this. Explanation of trades that I took yesterday actually was posted on X. Like screenshot with explanation. That's pretty much it. That's what I used for entry. Gold is a joke. Yeah. NQ needs to go lower. Just one more drop. Not one more drop. I expect to get actually lower, like way lower than 400 at just first level that I see so far. Okay, on oil, still would like to see lower, like 50 cents lower. Let's try to find levels that was expected on gold. Seems like 15-minute fair value gap. We got 5-minute fair value gap with flat candle lower, and we got 5-minute OB, which was expected. So that's pretty much it. So price it traced back. But you want to see 15-minute OB, right? And we got 15-minute fair value gap. On 15-minute chart, we got 15-minute order block. So basically this one, trying to compare with micro gold. Yeah, pretty much the same. We just did trace to 15-minute fair value gap. And it's 10 a.m. guys. Let's see if it's going to be an opportunity for me to enter the trade. Otherwise, it's not going to be good because it's not going to offer entry today, but... Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's about to start consolidating, seems like. But yeah, guys, this is the reason why I don't trade in Q. I don't want to see price going higher than New York Midnight Open, so I will place a trade below New York Midnight Open. Okay, I got it. You want to add to your position. We're gonna see. Don't drop yet. Yeah, slightly higher, like back to 15-minute order block. So basically, we're inside premium right now, like slightly in premium. So probably test of 37.68, 37.69 is in short. Oh, you want to see even higher? We will see. So guys, I'm still flat. Like no trades. Microvolt, okay. So still flat. We'll keep you updated. Just easier to use TradingView for now. I know, I'm not saying anything right now. I know. No, people talk about not 15-minute one, 30-minute one over here. I'm not sure yet. Sometimes, yeah, we just can get straight move down without any retracements, which just happens. I would say. Yeah, we got it. So basically this one, okay. Yeah, I'm bearish, but no trades yet. How far? I would like to see previous day low level and 37.27 daily order block. $37.25. I'm not sure which level it is on futures. Still no entry here. It's okay. Bit annoying, but it's okay. Yeah, also trying to respect the fair value gap. Yesterday was a bit more obvious in my opinion than right now, simply because we don't have any sweeps, right? So price just offering straight move down. It took 15-minute fair value gap. Yes, you're right. Yeah, pretty much full time. I mean, when I have time to trade. Because I have family. But yeah. I'm not on trade yet. So, guys, I will just show Project X once I enter the trade. It's going to be easier. I just prefer to analyze here for now. I have all candles here. Like, I know, I guess it's personal preference. Not chasing right now. Would like to see lower, but please, there's so far setup for me. Respecting fair value gap as well as respecting 50% of this leg down and 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute order block still higher. We just took this flat candle over here. Not trades yet. I don't see entry based on model yet. You got win and not satisfied with this? Are you serious? You mean how to use Replikanto, which leader account you need to pick? No, don't pick sim. You can just start copy like just 2 accounts. Like one eval and another eval. So basically 2 accounts. You trade in 2 accounts at the same time. No reason to copy like me. 23 accounts or so. So guys, I'm watching if it made it trade slightly higher. Preferably like to offer sweep somewhere here. And then lower. Previous day low level remains lower. Just why I'd like to see lower simply to offer like model for me to enter the trade. Because for now, unfortunately, there is no any entry for me. Which is painful. Okay, let's see guys. Still flat. Still trying to respect like previous setup. Disappointed. Like no FOMO right now, just disappointed. So right now it's spacing 50%, it's basing fair value gap on 5, 3-minute chart and 15-minute chart. Previous day low level was 2 points away. Obviously it wants to take previous day low level. Unfortunately, just looking at this 30-minute and hourly, model never was presented. We don't form exactly. Sometimes it's going to be like this. Impossible to avoid. Look at this move. So you want to tell me like it wants to leave like 20 points gap on weekly if it's going to be like V-shape reversal? It's going to be wild. Why I'm bearish? Look at this hourly chart. How I cannot be bearish at this point? Just tell me. And previous day low level, just looking at this hourly chart, it's just like conservative target. So like, I would say overall, it's okay to drop even lower to this consolidation, which lines up with daily order block at 37.27. Like overall makes sense to go there. We inside daily fair value gap, we didn't touch 50% yet, by the way. But overall, here's the hourly chart. We don't have any fair value gaps on this move down. And let's think about this. Like we don't have any fair value gaps on this way move, like as this move down on hourly. What this means? This means like nothing to balance here. And if it, let's say it wants to retrace, it will not retrace to these levels over here. Probably on hourly, it will go all the way up to take these highs for reversal, next reversal, right? So I'm just saying, since we don't have any fair value gaps, nothing to balance. And that's why this morning I want to short from London high and hourly OB. In my opinion, it made a bit more sense to short from this area than just straight move down. Once again, we don't have any fair value gaps, everything balanced here. Immediate rebalance, immediate rebalance, immediate rebalance. So it's either going to be reversal to London high, hourly OBs and short, or just going to be straight move down. I want to see first plan to short this morning. Gold had different plan, which is fine. This happens, so just need to wait and wait and wait again for model. Usually this pays a lot, just annoying to wait, which is once again normal. So once again, just looking at this hourly chart, it's either going to reverse, in my opinion, to London high and hourly OB, or just going to be straight move down. Like someone said to demand for a value gap, doesn't really make sense. Here's for a chart. We have SMT at highs. Hi, Michael. Look at this. We got 4-hour order block. We got propulsion block on 4 chart. I know, like, makes sense to continue going lower. Lower wire to 37, which is, by the way, as we figure out, 50% of this. By the way, I would say not from here, but from here. 50% of this din range, right? 37.42, right below previous day low levels. That's what I'm talking about right now. And right after this daily order block. So that's why I was looking, probably still looking for short, but not from current price level. Michael, how are you? Tell us you shorted NQ and longed NQ as well. But honestly, on NQ, I want to see possible weekly immediate rebalance. Never happened. But pretty sure you shorted here. We got just straight move down. But still feels like a bit tricky how it reverse. Like, what's the point leaving this small gap on weekly? Respected this order block on hourly, right? So it doesn't really make sense, in my opinion. Anyway, let's see. I'm going to stick to gold, continue sticking to gold. So far, yes, I did trade yesterday, Asia session, yeah. Okay, got it. Gold quite choppy today, unfortunately. On oil, still looking lower to 63.77. By the way, silver is also choppy right now, so pretty much similar picture. Look at this 4-hour candle right now. Okay. We inverted 4-hour fair value gap, but it did not offer any reaction. Well, in reality, we probably it's going to be reclaimed fair value gap, which will deliver us back to weekly open at 850. I will be surprised to see this kind of situation, like, you know, like V-shaped reversal to weekly open. Yeah, it will be crazy to see this. $766. Not really. It's either going to drop like from this range, or it's going to be just reversal to London high and then drop RDOB. Nothing else. Unfortunately, this is what I see so far. Next, I'm chilling right now. I clearly can see like there is no model here. Just need to accept this. It's 10:18. Nothing really happened yet. Really nothing happened since market open. No magnets today because we are not in trades. That's why no magnets. That's the main reason. There's no SMC right now at silver. With silver, just not really nothing. Asia was nice. Pre-market, not. I wouldn't say it was perfect. As well as so far, I cannot say like AM session was. But I'm not saying like because I'm not on trade. Just really like I didn't see perfect picture today. Yeah. Yeah. You good? I mean, yeah. What happened? I'm perfectly fine. Just not trade. That's why it's annoying. Ah, okay. I don't have Discord anymore. Like, I don't run this anymore for new people. You enter it long. All right. Got it. I'm not doing anything yet. Reversal. But once again, I truly believe if it's going to be reversal, it's going to be a reversal to London high. Like, I don't see any reason to reverse from like 30-minute fair value gap. If it's going to pump, it's going to be to London high and hourly OB at 37.92, which was my original plan this morning, which never play out. Previous day low level, they left this previous day low level. So, sitting on hands, don't touch this. It's okay, don't worry. Because really, guys, nothing is going on so far on gold. Looking euro futures also quite choppy. Silver trying to retrace higher right now. Got a good entry. Where? You long on gold? It's okay. Interesting reversal here. Yeah. First percent for, yeah, for some people it's amazing price action. For some people, like, no model, so no trades. This is how it works. Like, you must follow your rules. Your rules is just follow the model, right? If no model, no trades. Once again, it's okay. For some people, like, model is here, I'm trading this. Like, for me, unfortunately, just nothing yet. Nothing since Asia. I took Asia short with too many contracts. Yeah, it's perfectly fine, guys. I mean, preferable to have every single day as a trading day, of course. But the reality is, no, not really, not always. As I said before, looking at hourly chart, like, if it's not going to drop, like, within this candle range, previous candle range, like on this hourly, like another drop, another expansion, we'll go to London high first. And only after this, yes, it may drop. Okay, we got pretty much sweeps everywhere, right? Which should validate potential retracement higher. Since we got like double sweep on 30-minute chart, we have hourly sweep on hourly. You capture, oh, that's perfect. So, like, once again, good job. Do you look at crypto? Not really. Hello, hello, guys who joined, just joined. We are waiting to trade gold. So I'm just wondering right now, probably, like, if it's going to retrace higher to London high first, since, once again, looking at this hourly chart, it makes sense. It's okay to look for short, or it's going to stay within previous candle range. I mean, it's not going to break this high. We will drop all the way down to 37.27. So since it's kind of really stuck right now inside this range, I'm not sure if it's ready to drop, but we have 15-minute order block which can help it. So probably I will look for long to London high if it's going to break 50% of 15-minute order block. Or I'm going to look for short if it's going to respect 15-minute order block with smart money reversal. Simple, right? It's okay, don't worry. Like, wait for your setup first, then place your trade. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It is what it is. We're looking at gold right now. Overall, previous day low level is our target. Price kind of stuck. Doesn't want to do anything just yet, which is annoying, but it is what it is. I'm bearish as long as we below 37.71 to take previous day low level and daily order block. I'm not in trade right now. Once again, as long as it's below 50% of 15-minute OB, I would like to see drop to previous day low level and daily order block. Above 37.71, which is 50% of 15-minute OB, I will look for a higher move to London highs and probably same short. Let's think right now if it's going to offer new order block. So as the action from this order block, basically it's going to be propulsion. Can we get one more short? If it's going to offer order block, like OB question, right? It's okay, Daniel. Like maybe it will offer something in Asia if nothing is going to be next 20 minutes. It's okay. Don't worry about this. I know. I know. You added to your position here. Yeah, silver bullet, exactly. This is 15 minutes. Right now we are going to look at any time frame to find any sweep. Just let's give us some trades. Yeah, I'm going to stay in 3-minute chart. Just wondering if it's going to create 3-minute OB. Can we get the trade? Because with 5 micros, it's going to be around like $350, $360 risk, which is acceptable. Yeah, just like look at this reversal. Oh my god. Nothing is going on gold, unfortunately. But I may actually look for short. If it's going to close below this level, I may actually look for this trade. You feel like it's going to I don't know, honestly. I have no idea if it's going to go there. Because, like, look at this move. We got, just got 217 points. Guys, 220 points. A reversal. For less than 1 hour. Like, hard to believe they're ready to drop, like, another 200 points lower. Right? Epic's running sale right now, which is 80% off again, but $85 activation fee. That's quite cheap. But I have like new Epic's accounts. Like I don't need this. Yeah, unfortunately, gold is boring. Probably because we got some moves in London. Epic, You didn't know like Apex has activation fee? Yes, it does. So I bought my last 20 accounts when it was 90% off and $85 activation fee. So it was really cheap. Full price, really? They just like posted sale like 20 minutes ago, like at 80% off, which is classic. So, but $85 activation fee per account, yeah. I mean, New York is also okay. Sometimes Asia is going to be consolidation. I mean, not every single day New York will be perfect. Like, accept this fact. I didn't. I passed a while trading one contract. I took 6 scalps on gold and I passed this. That's it. With one mini contract. Each trade was for 5 points. Like it was perfect day to scalp this. It was like good range. Like 4 or 5 points were easier to get them. I mean, nothing works. I mean, like, I don't see the tab as well, so you're not alone. So I use pretty much similar approach, but on 1 minute chart. You know, I don't use 1 minute chart at all, but I use for scalping, and maybe I was lucky, you know, like, probably I was lucky, but it was quite easy to pass that day. It was Tuesday. I remember it was Tuesday, like 3 weeks ago or so. Well, guys, what is going on so far? Nothing, right? I just feel like if it's going to be an opportunity, I will take it anyway. Even if it's going to be like looks like if it's going to look like low probability but still within previous candle range, I may actually take it, like no matter what I can get. CL, leaving this flat candle so far. Yeah, nothing yet, unfortunately, but it's okay. Yeah, pretty much 5 15-minute sweeps and 1 minute entries. That's it. That was the only trade I took. It was 3 weeks ago. Yeah. It was 5-minute liquidity sweeps, 15-minute liquidity sweeps, potential sweeps, and 1 minute entries. It was, yeah, it was a great day because we got good ranges, like overall. And 4 or 5 points were easy to catch them, you know? Not always days like this. For example, right now, like 4 points range. I feel like silver wants like the trace offer deeper retracement pretty much that we are waiting on gold, but gold is kind of struggling. Okay, new 3-minute candle opened. Need to get OB to probably short this because we have filler swings as you can see. So basically low resistance. I know, we will see. I don't want to predict something, right? Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. I don't use this on my funded accounts anyway. This is what I use to pass accounts. That's pretty much it. Interesting. Like silver seems a bit more. Yeah, I visit Steven. I mean, I'm not sure about his name, how he prefers, but yeah, I talked with him in real life. He's nice. He's nice. He's nice. Yesterday, my founder teachers streamed Asia. They usually stream at 8 p.m. So yeah, I came there to say hello. I'm pretty much every day there to say hello. How are you? And I said I will look for setups like after 9. Today, not yet. Would like to look for trade on gold to previous day low level. Order block. It's not order block yet, but we'll see. Maybe something like this. Let me see how big risk is going to be if I will short this to previous day low level. 7 points. 7 points. Yeah, on gold. And Q, as you can see in Q, just kind of consolidating so far, like nothing's going on. Really, nothing is going on so far. It's not reclaimed for a value gap just yet on 4 chart because we don't know where this 4 candle is going to close, right? But I will be surprised to see like V-shape reversal, you know? Okay, looking for short in gold. So we just close, guys, here. How big risk is for contracts? Around like $300. Gonna try this. Guys, I'm not sure about partials, how to set them. I'm gonna give it limit by 2. We will see. I'm risking $324. As I said, on new accounts, I don't want to risk more than $300, so it's acceptable. For micros only, we'll take 2 off if it's going to take previous day low level, trading according to my plan. Yeah, let's see. Pretty much set immediately. Maybe delay, I know. Oh, come on. Yesterday on Apex, I got like 7 points or so. And I was like, after this, it dropped 50 points. And of course, it looked like crazy. I was going to miss this. I mean, it's chap, so maybe you're not going to miss anything. You know? Previous day low level was like 2 points away. We got 3-minute order block, so basically propulsion block. This is probably something that I was watching before. For this short, it's 3-minute chart, I believe, right? Yeah, 3-minute chart. So let's see how it goes. It's 10:42. It's still right time to trade. Like idea was presented. I follow my plan so far. Previous day low level seems obvious target. We didn't get any invalidation of bearish bias just yet. So yeah, I feel like I am doing right. Just we will see if it's going to hit TP. You know, like at least previous day low level. Right? So we didn't get really sweep, but we had some SMTs, and I believe not with silver. It disappeared, I guess, right? So we still staying, like looking at these hourly candles over here. I said it's either going to be, oh, you cannot see this, sorry guys, I'm just going to open here. Looking at this hourly candle over here, sorry guys, I'm just discussing this on TradingView and showing like nothing to you. So looking at these candles over here, everything is balanced, right? So it's either going to be complete reversal all the way up to these highs, or just straight move down, right? So that's why I took this trade. I saw 3-minute order block offer it. Once again, it's still bearish. I didn't see invalidation. I believe it's valid. Invalidation is going to be above 37.71. This is where we look for long. But if, for example, let's say it's a loss, I will look for the long with smaller size. 50k, like 4k, build with 4k to 50%. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Yeah, I mean, I'm just going to wait. I just trust my analysis. A bit slow, yeah, unfortunately. But it's okay. Once again, as you can see, I don't want to risk its new account, funded account. I don't want to risk more like 324. It's okay. Like 324, this means, once again, imagine it's a loss. Let's say invalidation of this short is going to be above 37.71. I will look, for example, long, but with smaller size already. Yeah. Just saying, like, how I see the situation when I have new account. Yes, I do have Project X tutorial on my X page. I posted this like 2 days ago. It should be like one of the first posts on my page. You can see this. I'm using with stop step, but when I change from NQ to gold, the order panel does not change. You need to link this, I guess, like change the color here. But how to link here? Or you can just change, you know, like over here, pick the instrument. But you can link them, you know? Oh, you didn't miss anything, like, be trying. Yeah, I believe if you're going to link this somehow, it's going to be, it's going to look differently. I know. When I tapped like micro gold, it's switching here. Okay, like I didn't wait for sweep because we expected 15-minute order block, 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, 3-minute fair value gap. Also, we're expecting for our OB. It left previous. Oh, you cannot see this. Let me switch back on stream to show you. Stream on charts. So we're expecting for our OB, we're expecting 15-minute order block, we're expecting 5-minute, 3-minute fair value gaps, 15-minute fair value gaps. 2 points, it was 2 points away from previous day low level. I said I'm going to enter short if it's going to present 3-minute OP. It presented 3-minute OB, I enter the trade. That was my analysis in real time. Like guys, once again, in real time, I feel like this is good trade. In hindsight, we will see how it's going to look. Right? I don't do Discord anymore. So basically, I was trying to enter at the open of next candle. Sometimes it's impossible to enter at the open of next candle because it's fast. But I did my best. Put my stop loss at swing high. Want to take partial at previous day low level. And the rest to this level. In case we can get this, who knows? By the way, we have, let me back on right now on my charts. We have some SMTs at these lows. So I'm thinking where is going to be invalidation, for example, of this short. We have some SMTs. What we have right now, guys, is potential sweep on 30-minute chart. Over here, see this? So, for example, in case I am wrong with my short right now, I can cut early if it's going to break 37.63. So I can cut this early, like for really small loss, like $100 probably. So yeah, I will keep my eyes since we have potential 30-minute sweep and some SMTs. If it's going to break this level, I may just cut a bit early my short. Let's see. I'm going to let you know here. I don't have level here. Okay. Need to create new template. Extend, right? So I may cut the trade if it's going to break this level. Let me hide these levels. Yeah, that's the plan. It's already slow, a bit annoying, but it's okay. It's okay. Gold, just a bit faster. Do something, please. Once again, when you see it's like quite like choppy consolidation, please just really trade with smaller size. It's always best decision. Like you want to try something, but you don't want to risk a lot. So do like me, trade with smaller size. I'm thinking if I want to trail my stop loss right now over here. So basically at these bodies, it's right above 50% of 3-minute OB. And let's say it's going to take previous day low level right now. I don't know, we will see. But if so, I will move at break even. We're up like 5 points or so, which is who cares, right? Yeah, I used to try to trade bookmap, footprint. I mean, yeah, it's a great strategy, but when you trade ICT and trying to combine with this bookmap, footprint, it's so hard because something like invalidate, like you see like invalidation, like let's say you shorten in Q. You see like bookmaps trying to tell you like long this, but based on your model it's short. Like, no, I don't like it. Like, it's not for me. Gold. Please. Just faster. We want to be done. I'm kidding. We have to wait. We have to wait for results, right? Pain. Not really pain. It's okay. We call this patience. Patience. Right? This one major problem with my setup. Go for it. I need to know this. Ow. I was like, maybe really something wrong. So far we're up like 6 points. Already 5 points. I don't really care. So I put my stop loss right now at these bodies. Once again, I don't really care anymore. Like, nothing invalidates my idea just yet. We still have, let me switch back on TradingView to show you something. We still have potential 30-minute sweep, and confirmation of this potential 30-minute sweep probably is going to be closure above this level. It's exactly where I entered. So at this point, let's say, imagine, it wants to offer potential sweep. It wants to offer potential sweep. It created like 3-minute OB to confirm this potential sweep. We're expecting like rejection block. So at this point, yes, it's going to be first invalidation of our short. This means we can close at break even, right? But it's still good. So invalidation is going to be above this level. Since we have 1 second. Oh, here we go. Yeah, let me do like this. Since we have potential sweep, can you see potential? You should probably. Since we have potential sweep on 30-minute chart, invalidation is going to be closure above this blue line. So probably I will cut the trade then. But so far so good, so still valid. You got the point. Two minutes left on this candle. I'm just thinking, okay, if it left previous day low level by 2 points, this means, let's say it wants to reverse right now of this potential sweep, which is not that smart, but it's okay. I believe in Asia we can drop there. Right? Do you trade? I mean, yeah, I do trade. Not on stream, because like, yeah. So guys, once again, invalidation of this trade, like considering current 30-minute sweep, is going to be closure above blue line. So I can cut the trade then. Yeah, that's a plan. Okay, 1 minute left on this candle. Magnet, I mean, nothing really, like, just we want to see price going here. That's it. Yeah, I guess 50 seconds left. Good expansion here of potential 30-minute sweep. I'm actually flip the trade in case I see like strong consolidation. Let's see where this candle is going to close. 30 seconds left. Trying to close above this level. Let's see. If it's going to just close, maybe just going to stop me out immediately. Let's see. 20 seconds left on this candle. I'm going to just sit. I mean, like, okay. Ten seconds left on this candle. So we closed. I'm going to cut this trade right now for like $30 loss or so. We got invalidation. Let's see if I can flip the trade right now. We got invalidation, guys. As you can see, like, we got SMT, we got invalidation. I might actually try to flip the trade. Which is, by the way, good practice, I would say, right? Took $60 loss. It's okay. I'm gonna flip the trade right now. It's okay, it's okay. Remove magnet. Okay, I'm going to leave this. We got invalidation, 3-minute OB. Yeah, I might actually flip the trade right now. Let's see. Yeah, pretty much what I expected to get. We got sweep. We got 3-minute OB. This order block confirmed already. It's trying to leave previous day low level. I don't know until when it wants to leave this. I'm not long yet. I will probably flip this. I didn't flip yet. Because I'm just thinking right now, like, if it wants to reverse, can we reverse to London high or so? I'm not, not yet. Didn't flip yet. I closed like $60 loss. Just slightly red. My confusion probably is our chart right now. I mean, yeah, we got invalidation. See, price broke above 50% of this order block. This is pretty much where I want to see invalidation of shorts. Let me see. 3 points away from previous day low level. All right. I mean, me too, you know, like, it's really just consolidating so far over here. I know. It's Project X platform, you know? Project X. Just cannot believe they want to, like, leave this previous day low level. I mean, possibly. Who knows? Let's be patient, so it's okay. It's only 11. We might get another entry. I'm not long yet. Guys, you cannot even imagine how bad I would like to see previous day low level. So price trying to respect 50%. Didn't close above this level yet. Yeah, we do have potential sweep. Okay, let me focus. I may. We respected this 50% on micro gold and gold as well. I can re-enter in case like I was wrong. I mean, yeah, I saw invalidation. It's okay to close, like mostly at break even. Let me see, maybe I will re-enter the trade. I like how price trying to respect 50% so far. I mean, fell too close above this level. Broke, but fell too close. Let's see. I still can trade with regular size. Oh yeah, of course. Come on, I trade. Yeah, don't worry about me. I'm fine. So I consider this as break-even trade, so it's okay. I'm looking for previous day low level still. You know, we got first invalidation using this potential sweep, right? But price expected 50%, which is, I mean, broke but failed to close, which is still maybe valid. I don't know. I'm just trying to see what entry I can use again. Like exactly same order block. Or just leave it alone. Because I still can risk $300 because $60 is nothing for me. I still can take a trade with exactly the same risk. Even like 5 micros probably. I know. 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart here. Yeah, basically price expects in this order block so far. On 1-minute chart. I may actually leave it alone. I think so. Yeah, I agree with you. You're saying like 15-minute. Look at this 15-minute chart. I mean, like, I wouldn't say it looks so good, you know? I mean, 15-minute chart looks ugly, let's be honest. Right? Maybe I did try decision. I don't know, guys. You're saying like it looks so good? But I'm bearish, guys. Bearish, so nothing changed. I still would like to see lower. Previous day low level seems absolutely obvious target. I don't know. I can be definitely wrong. I can re-enter. And I feel like I want to re-enter again. I mean, same target. But not sure. I want to give it a second chance. Yeah, you're saying like it's sent barcode. I know, but structure overall bearish. I know, like, I'm thinking about re-entry right now. Back to the trade. You are right at previous day low level. You're still in this trade, all right. Give me 1 second. I will think about this. 1 moment. 1 second. I like this trade as well. So whatever the cut is, I need to re-enter then. Once again, I did this is how I'm trying to do, like trying to learn how to do to cut the trade when you see invalidation, because my husband always say to me like, let me leave this for now. My husband always keeps saying like to me, when you see invalidation, it's okay to cut your trade early, so don't wait for your full stop. Yeah, for example, it did not hit my full stop, but if I see invalidation, which actually can be expected, like over here, sometimes it's smart to cut early. Right? Yeah, I think so. No long set. I mean, like, okay, we have like first idea for long. So price is paid in the rejection block and it offered potential sweep and 3-minute OB, basically confirming this yet, right? But I cannot believe they want to leave previous day low level for no reason. So that's why I'm looking for probably another trade. Okay, I will see if I can re-enter next couple of minutes. If not, then I'm not going to touch gold. But want to see previous day low so bad. Let's see, I might actually re-enter with, I know, like 5 micros. He's not like really a trader, but he helps me a lot, like to figure out what I need to do with my stop loss, with my risk management, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, this is what he said. You need to learn how to cut the trade early. Because you can be like right initially with your trade, but let's say you see invalidation of your trade confirmed by like high time level, sweep, and other something else. Just cut this early enough and run with this. Like it's better to take like break even or small loss either than hold until full stop. Right. Okay, let me I will see. I may actually enter the trade. So we got SMT with silver right now at these highs. Set and forget. If I will enter the trade, probably I will put my stop loss at this swing high. Let me project this right now here. Entry like here. Stop loss is going to be like 5 points probably. And funny, but seems like 2R from current price level exactly at previous day low level, but we're expecting 1 minute inversion so far. That's pretty much it. But also we're expecting 3 minute OB, but it's consolidation. Okay, I'm looking for the entry. Let's see if I can enter. Like my confusion is this chop so far. Like overall, guys, my trade, like overall, was inside consolidation. But anyway, still happy I took this. I'm looking for the entry. If it's going to stay below 50%, I will try this again. Okay, let's see. Here's 1 minute chart. 1 minute inversion. Inversion. I need to create a template for inversion. Price is expected to retrace to 1 minute inversion, and that's it. Nothing else is going on. So not touching this yet. NQ, like, you know, okay. NQ moving is more than gold, but the problem with NQ, like, once again, I'm not trying to cash like thousands of points on NQ or gold. No, problem how consistent it is, right? And in my opinion, gold moves, maybe not today, but overall better than NQ, in my opinion. I can be wrong, but this is how I see this. I can be wrong once again. Let's see what we have on NQ right now, just real quick. You short? I shorted just once. Happy I close this. I mean, close and close. I'm happy with this. Not touching this. I shorted only like this 3 minute OB, that's it. This order block on 3 minute chart. I gave it a try. Failed. Moving on. See, no problem with this. I don't know, like it's 11:10. Market is slowing down so far. Not touching this. Yeah, I may actually just be done. Like, yeah, going to close, like log out probably. It will help me from taking unnecessary losses, right? So guys, I'm going to log out right now my Project X. Not going to touch this. I know I want to re-enter, not going to try this. Yeah. I may actually try to trade ES today on TradingView TV, but not going to touch right now gold. Just, I have some questions about the setup yet. Well, guys, yeah, not going to touch this, just log out everything here. Just no reason, you know, like no reason. This consolidation, I know, like I can take a loss, like no reason. Yeah, I will see you guys in TradingView TV in a bit more than 1 hour. We will trade ES. You out? I'm not touching this. Yeah, we'll try to trade yes. Yesterday we got short on yes. I was in profit, by the way, 10 points, and it traced back to my break even, which is fine. Yeah, it's consolidation, guys. Like, no reason to trade something here. Going to enjoy my day. Next 1 hour. Yeah, I would say mostly break even, like $60 loss. Cannot call this like loss. Yeah, the trade choice. I will see you guys in 1 hour on TradingView TV, and tomorrow maybe will be better, right? To see the full time. Oh, you mean full screen on TradingView? Yeah, I can try. I can try. Yeah, I will do this tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Asia today. I know, we will see. I know. Yeah, guys, I will see you in 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching me. Don't make stupid mistakes. And yeah, thank you for watching me, guys. Bye. Choo 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 choo.